All right, I'm back. Guess where I'm at? And I can record too because I'm not unemployed anymore. So anyways, I'm picking up my shit. Here's some more of my shit. Yeah. There's the U-Haul, baby. Bam. Hell yeah. Oh, all right. All right, and then there we go. Picking up my shit. All right, so that's it. All right, so we're back. All loaded up. Let's check it out. All right. We're all loaded up. Heck yeah. All loaded up. Heck yeah. Strapped in, you get it? Strapped in. Oh yeah. And then filled up the back of my truck. Some of my stuff. Oh shit. Still need to put this guy in there. This is my cooler. All right. Put that inside. Put the little plug on. Probably use it in my house. Yeah. No AC. I got portable AC now. All right. Oh yeah. Heck yeah. Boom, baby. All right. Well, I think it's time to go. After I put my cooler in there, it's time to go. All right, for sure now. Got the cooler in there. Got the cooler. Got my tools. Yeah, boy. All right. It's time to go. Time to go. Time to go. All right, on that note, I'll see you guys later. One more time. All right, I'll see you guys in a bit.